canvas drawing is done. Now it's time for the cone work. You can see how the canvas is looking right now. This is the design that we have utilized to make our canvas design. With the help of this cone liner, which is called Kamen glass liner, we will do the cone work. You can also do this by any kind of 3D liner which is gold in color. Also, you can use marble powder or marble dust and make it a paste, and using a cone you can use it. Additionally, we need some stones for our stone work. So you can see we don't need much material for our cone work. Now we will start adding the cone work. For that, first, with the help of the cone very thin tip, I am just pressing it on the canvas and making a circular shape. Make sure your cone is perfectly perpendicular to the canvas so that you can get a perfect round evolving shape. Go very slowly and steadily so that you can get a perfect result. I will show this once again, so don't worry. Now we will make the bird. Press the bird for the thicker top portion and slowly gently finish at a very thin length. Now we will do the leaves. For that, start with a thin tip, add some pressure, make the body a bit thicker and then release it. You can see once again how to do the leaf work. You need to be very steady for this kind of work. Also, you can also try making in another paper and practice it there. While starting, always add some leftover from the paper and then start fresh. Add a little bit, add more, fill the body volume of the leaf and release it. I will again repeat this step, so don't worry. Now I will show you how to draw the petals. As you can see, now we have to do the petals. For that, we will start from the center edge and then adding more volume of the cone work and slowly lifting the cone work, giving a very pointy edge. So the thing is pressing and just lifting. As you can see, again I'm pressing, making the volume a little bit and then releasing the cone. This gives a perfectly looking pointy edge to our flowers. These steps definitely need some practice, so I will highly suggest, if you have any doubt of your capability, don't worry. Start practicing in any rough sheet, and then when you feel you are perfect at doing, then you can start directly on the canvas. You can clearly see how volumetric our cone work looking like. Now we will do the another set of flower in the same way. I am just putting it in a 90-degree angle and pressing it. Press until it is a volumetric circular in shape, and then we will move forward. Now we will do another set of birds and the leaves. Don't forget to rotate the canvas so that you can get your desired direction in very easy way. As you can see, I have rotated my canvas and then I am making the leaves. Pressing a little bit, adding some more volume to the body and then releasing to give a perfect looking leaf shape.
Many of you have asked me about my private courses. Yes, there are some long detailed courses available in Skillshare and Udemy. There is detailed courses in Madhubani painting, Worli painting, Fad painting, Meenakari, Persian as well as Tanjore painting. The prices are pretty low, but if you want to get a free access, I can give you a 7 to 14 days free trial on Skillshare. You can find the links in the description box. So why are you waiting? Let's come and join the beautiful sea of Indian folk art.
Now our mixture is semi-dry. It is a perfect time to add the stones on it. So I have taken a little bit of fabric gum in my hand, and then with the help of a tip of a brush, I will add the stones on the stonework. Taking a little bit of gum in the back side of a brush. Now gently removing one stone from the floor and adding on top of the cone work. slightly pressing it on the cone work. As you can see, I am finding very difficult to place, so using a compass I am pressing it. This is the reason I told to use it on the semi-dry stage of the cone work so that the stone will place in the perfect manner. Now with the help of the same brush tip, I am just pressing the stone so that it can emboss kind of look. Believe me, picking up the stone and then making it an embossed kind of look is not at all easy. You can see how many times I am trying. I can cut and remove it so that you can get a false impression, but I am not going to do that. Yes, it's the normal procedure, but you can see how real time I am doing. The first stone's work will be very difficult to do, but while you do and more you progress to your stone work, you will get a great amount of perfection in you. You can see how beautiful our first flower is looking like, mainly the stone flower. Now I will do the stone work to the next one. Now I have done a little bit mistake deliberately to show you what is the importance of the cone work. As you can see, here I have given a very less amount of cone work in the position of the stone. For that, the embossed part is not doing properly. Let's have a closer look to it. As you can see, the first flower has the stone embossed surrounded by the cone work. Now when I do it the next one, here the stone is way bigger to the cone material I have put in. So the cone material of the embossing part is definitely going to vary. Even if you have a smaller or a larger kind of stone, so the cone work will be varied. So I will highly suggest to do and practice this cone work in another sheet and then do it on the canvas, so get a more beautiful kind of embossed look. As I already mentioned, some of our stone is not embossed properly. For that reason, I am adding some cone work in outskirts of the stone. Of course, this is not the right method, and also the stone work will not look very nice. Let's now finish making the whole one side of border. I am just rotating a canvas according to my need and then start making the petals. You have to be very slow and patient while doing it. A little bit of hurry can destroy the whole painting, so be careful. I hope you noticed how I am giving a pointy tip to the leaves and the petals. A pointy tip will really make your Jaipur painting amazing. I hope you have no question till now. If you have, don't forget to ask me. I will happy to answer any of your question and doubt. So make sure you're following each and every steps. First of all, we will start with cone work. Along with that, we will learn how to put stones on that. After stone work, we will start coloring, and finally with some additional detailings, we will complete our Jaipur art. After completion, you can't imagine that this is done by you. This art piece is definitely going to elevate the soothingness of your home and also bring back the positivity.
To get this free course in free format, you just need to go to the link in the description box. After you open the link, you can see there is written free and also a coupon is applied. You can preview some of the sample videos and then you can add to cart. After clicking add to cart, you can see there is option for your name, Gmail and also a password. So you need to sign up with that. After the sign up, this billing address page will come up. This shows that the course is free. You just need to put your address and also your PIN code. And after that, click on Enroll Now button. After that, it's very easy. You can start the course from there. You just click Start the course and you can see plethora of videos on that topic. After watching the entire course, you need to click the 5-star rating. Also, you can just complete the last course and you will get this 5-star rating. Give a good rating and also give an honest opinion so that more other artists like you can find my course. There is also PDF guides for each and every art form, so don't forget to download it from the resources page. So you must please hurry up because the seats are very limited. If you want to enroll in my other courses, you can search in Udemy and write my name and you can find all other courses offered by me. To know more such amazing Indian folk art, don't forget to subscribe to An Aberration Indian Folk Art channel.
Well done, we have done a lot of borders work. Now we will finish the border, but before that let's do the stone work because now our cone work is semi-dry. If you are feeling boring in this work, I'm really sorry, but these are the key technique for making a perfect kind of Jaipur art. The more controlled and well behaved you would be, the better your Jaipur art will look like. The cone work is in semi-dry state, so use very gentle pressure and make sure you are not making any kind of mistakes while doing, because if you want to erase something, it's kind of impossible and it will destroy the preceding and neighbor design too. Sometimes we tend to take excessive amount of glue in the brush tip. For that reason, you need another sharp object so that you can transfer it on the cone work. Now I will correct some of the stone embossing part that are not being done correctly with some additional cone work surrounded by it. I hope you can feel how amazing the border is looking like. The camera is not doing justice. It is looking so beautiful. Now we will finish the border design with the same type of floral, leaf and bird design, and after that I will come back again.